Yes, great minds. It's another awesome video here, and guess what? I really want you to guess what I want to show you in this video. Let me just tell you. All right, I want to show you how you can create unique and amazing thumbnail for your content. All right, okay, I told you I'll be showing you a few stuffs on how you can come up with nice designs, isn't it? Okay, I want to start with how you can do and create your unique and amazing thumbnail. Okay, it's just a very simple video, and I'm telling you the truth, as a newbie too, you can do this design and you come up with an amazing and creative design. Some persons do come to my DM and they ask, Paul, how do you came about this design? This is fine, this is unique, but then I don't really do serious stuffs on my design. It is just very simple and unique. So that is just what I want to show you in this video. All right, I don't want to waste much time. I want to do this in less than 10 minutes. Okay, I want to show you how you can do this yourself. I think in our very first video about Pixel Lab, I showed you how you can navigate through some of the tools and all of that, and I told you whenever you come to Pixel Lab will show you this question. Okay, it's a default setting that will tell you if you want to recover your last session. Okay, an auto save of your last session is available. Do you want to recover it? Then if you say okay, it will go to what you were doing before. Okay, this is a thumbnail size. Okay, but then this is not what you want to do or what you want to design. I want to show you how you can design your thumbnail. Look, and I said also in the last video that if you want to check other designs you've done before, you click on these three dots at the top here, you will see some of the features that are here. Just go to open PLP file. Immediately you click on it, you will see all the designs you've been doing. Okay, this is what we did last time, if you can still remember. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so you can still go back there and click on PLP file and check all designs you've been doing. Yeah, so now in this very video I want to show you how to come up with your YouTube thumbnail design. Okay, let me just choose one of the one I did long time ago, and then we'll use that one to do the practice here. Okay, let me choose this one. This is the thumbnail for my last video. I taught you on how you can publish your first video on YouTube. I know most persons know about this already, but then I just felt some persons are confused. They are at the junction whereby they don't know how to even start their YouTube channel. They don't know how to come up with their first video and publish it. So I had to come up with this. Yeah, so coming up with this now, I feel too that it's very necessary for me to show you how to come up with your thumbnail design, because some persons are really coming up with designs thumbnail that are not catchy, design thumbnails that are not attention grabbing. Do you understand? Because they don't know the concept of designs, they don't know how to use the tools. Some persons want to even outsource their design. So if you can do this yourself, I mean practically I do my designs myself, my thumbnail myself. You can do it yourself. It will actually reduce cost for you. Okay, so let me just use this as an example. What I just want to do now is to just hide some of these things here. Now this is the design I did. This is the outcome of it. Okay, so if I click on this shape here, you will see all the things I've been doing, they'll be here. So let me just quickly hide them, then we'll start from the beginning again. Okay, let me hide them. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, so it is now plain background. It's actually white background that I used. I want to make this video very simple and short, so I didn't come up with manipulations, come up with background that are colorful and do some kind of manipulations. Okay, I just wanted to show you something very simple that you can do for YouTube channel thumbnail. Okay, or you can also use this to also do other designs to either a flyer for your business or for your brand. Okay, so this is just the background. So now the first thing you want to do when you come to Pixel Lab, because there'll be a default size, you need to come to this place with three dots and you go to image size. Now you begin to see different sizes here. Okay, now when you go to this place, you see custom and you see a very short shape here. Okay, just click on it. When you click on it, you see custom, you see square, profile picture, square. Okay, if the size you want is for a profile picture, you go for it. YouTube channel banner is different from YouTube thumbnail. Okay, what we want to do is YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you see YouTube thumbnail, you see Facebook cover art. So you can also choose the size and implement same thing we are doing here now for your Facebook cover art. Okay, Google Plus cover photo, Twitter header size, all these things are here already. Okay, but then if the size you're looking for is not here, or probably the size you want to do for your design is not a YouTube thumbnail size, you can just go to your browser and just search, okay, the size of this or that in pixels now. Okay, 20 inches in pixels, 40 inches in pixels. Just find it out. Then when you get it, you now come and put the width and the height here. Okay, but for now you are doing for YouTube thumbnail size, and this is it. The YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 pixels, the width, and the 720 here height is the other side of the size of the thumbnail. Okay, when you're done, you click on OK. Now this is the size, there is nothing here. Now I want to start from the very scratch. So what I did was to come up with the size first. Okay, I told you the tools are here already. Click on text. Okay, when you click on text, you click on add text. Okay, then double click it, then you write what you want to write. Publish. All right, this is it. Okay, all right, but let me delete it because I have it already here, because I want this video to be very fast. Publish is here already. Publish your, okay, this is it. And then the font I used was, this is the font, I can't really pronounce it though, Baba Neon Regular. Okay, that's the font. Okay, just search for it, go to thatfont.com and search for that font. Okay, that is very simple. Just go to your browser. When you go to your browser, my data is off, sorry, I just click on that font. This is not why we're doing this video though, but then I think it's very necessary. That font, the font.com. Okay, when you click on it, you see different fonts there. Okay, then you come and download. But then if the font you're looking for is not there, you just go and search. If you know the name of the font, just go and search it and you will see it immediately, then you download it. Alright, so these are different fonts here. You can download anyone you want, but that's not why we're doing this video. So publish your, alright, let me make it more faster, your first video. You see that now this color is black already, so if I want to give it the color, I'll just go and click on black here. But this other color here is gradient. This first video is gradient, so if I want to give it color now, when I come to gradient, I've given it the color already. So you click on plus. So now this plus, you see two nodes. The first node here, you just click on it, then click on this last icon here with a drop. Okay, click on it. When you click on it, then you give it color. I gave it this color. Okay, then the other node here, click on the drop icon here, like as if something is dropping. Click on it, then you give it the color. Okay, so this is how you do gradient. Then click on OK. First video. Okay, then the next one is shape. Let me remove. Okay, now the shape too, I did gradient. Okay, if you want to give shape, you can come to this place. Okay, yes, the other tool after the A tool is the shape tool. Then click on plus here and click on shapes. Then you see that this is for shapes. I think I did this in our last video. Then give it the color. Okay, let me cancel that. So the color is still the same. Click on the shape, the color is still the same gradient, okay, then the next one is on your YouTube channel. This is it. Okay, just fix it inside here. When you're done, undo is this shape here. So this is it. So now the next thing I placed here is my image. Yes, so you can just go to Photo Room. This is the app here. Photo Room is the app. You can remove background using Photo Room. Do you understand? So that is how it works. But then I have removed my background already and I have saved it already. Okay, so that's why I am placing my own picture there now. So you could just click on this plus then look for the picture you want to remove the background. That is just it. Okay, let's say for example I want to remove the background of this picture. You see that, make sure your data is on. It's gone, the background is gone already. You see that, that is it. So you see white, black, transparent. What you click on is transparent. Allow it to load, then you click on transparent. It's still loading, it's still loading, it's still loading. Okay, click on transparent. This is it. So when you click on it, then you now go to save it. I'll be using this for a design very soon, so for one of my trainings, so I think I should save it. Export, maybe later, then save to gallery. It's done now. Okay, click on done. Okay, that is how you remove background, but I've removed mine already. That's why you're seeing my this way. So my background is out already here. So my picture now, what I did for my picture that is showing this black and white is color filter. Okay, when you click on this shape here, go to color filter, you see hue, you see saturation. So it was saturation I used, so you can just increase and all of that. If you do it like this, it will be too much. So this is the original form of my picture. I think if it is in 0, this is the original form of my picture. I can increase it to make it more brighter. You see it's becoming more brighter. Okay, yes. Should I use this instead of black and white? Okay, let me use this. Let me make it 10. But if you want to make it black and white, you can just go back. You see that it's changing already to black and white, but then I want to use this. I want to use this for now. Let me make it 8. Okay, then you mark it. All right, so this is it. So the next thing is all these YouTube shapes that I use there. You can just go to Freepik. I don't want to go there because of time. I don't want to spend much time in this video. Go to Freepik. You can download YouTube icon. Okay, 3D. You can download it. Blur YouTube icon. Just search for it on Freepik, or just search for it on your browser. So when you're done, last image. Let me increase the. You see what I placed behind it, but I fainted it very well. Okay, if you're not seeing that, you can use splash. Just search for splash and faint it very well. All right, when you faint it very well, it gives you this, then you mark it. We've created our YouTube design already, our YouTube thumbnail design already. We've succeeded in creating our YouTube thumbnail design. You see how awesome it is. So when you're done, you go to this, after this plus icon, go to this place here, then you can save as project so that you can come back to change anything. If you did any mistake, then you save as image. If you want to save it as image, then you need to save it as Ultra, okay, and JPEG. So when you're done, click on save. Pixel Lab normally gives so many ads, so you need to be very much patient. When you are saving, they'll be giving you some ads like that. So that is that. Let's go and check our design. Okay, this is what we did. All right, see how awesome it is. This is what we did. So I think this is what will make your design come up this way. Okay, thank you for watching till this time. I would want to do something different in my next video, but then it will be based on demand too. Okay, so do well to share this video if you learned new things, and do well to subscribe to my channel if you're coming in for the first time.